Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyo. So we're going to have a new Tagalog lesson and we're going to talk about sa form. So the role of the sa form is ownership. So it denotes ownership of the topic, which is similar to belongs to or owned by in English. So this will be the pattern that we're going to use for nouns. So if we're talking about common nouns, will be following this pattern, sa plus the noun. So example is sa babae. Sa babae. It means belongs to the woman. So for example, our sentence is the car belongs to the woman. So in Filipino, it will be sa babae ang kotse. Kotse in English is car. So the car belongs to the woman. Sa babae ang kotse. And then if it's a plural noun, so plural nouns, more than one, we'll be using mga. So we'll be adding mga sa mga plus the noun. So that's going to be sa mga babae. So let's say the cars belong to the women. So it's going to be sa mga babae ang mga kotse. Sa mga babae ang mga kotse. And then next is for personal noun. So it means it's a person's name. So if it's a person's name, we'll be using kay plus the name. So that's going to be kay. Let's say the name is Maria. Kay Maria, and then the object. So let's say the car belongs to Maria. Kay Maria ang kotse. The car belongs to Maria. And then if it's plural names, so more than one. So let's say the names Maria and Anne. So it's going to be kina. So instead of kay, so kay is for singular personal noun. And then for plural, we'll be using kina. So kina, Maria at Anne ang kotse. So let's say the car belongs to Maria and Anne. Yeah, so plural names, kina, singular, it's kay. And then for common nouns, we'll be using sa plus the noun, and then plural sa mga plus the noun or noun. So next slide is if it's first person, so I'm talking about myself, so mine. So let's say this is mine. So mine is sa akin. We can shorten it to sakin. Sakin or sa akin ang kotse. Or that is like the car is mine. But if it's this is mine, sa akin or sakin ito. Ito is this in English. Yeah, so sa akin ito or sa akin ang kotse, the car is mine. And then next is if it's ours. So ours inclusive. So it means including the person you're speaking to. So we're going to use sa atin or satin. Let's say the car is ours. Sa atin or satin ang kotse. And then if the person you're speaking to is not including in that conversation, like the car is ours, excluding the person you're speaking to. So we're going to use sa amin. Sa amin or samin ang kotse. Samin or sa amin ang kotse. Second person is yours. So yours, let's say singular. The car is yours. Sa'yo or sa iyo ang kotse. Sa'yo or sa iyo ang kotse. And then if it's plural yours, like the car, or the cars are all yours. So we'll be using sa inyo. Sa inyo ang mga kotse. Yes, sa inyo ang mga kotse. And then third person is sa kanya. So it means his or hers. So let's say the car is his. So sa kanya ang kotse. Sa kanya ang kotse. And last is theirs. So the car is theirs. So one car belongs to them. Sa kanila ang kotse. Or if it's plural object, so cars, sa kanila ang mga kotse. Yeah, so this is the pattern that we're going to use if we're using personal pronouns. So next slide, mga halimbawa. So mga halimbawa in English, it means examples. So halimbawa, isa or unang halimbawa, first example, kay Juan ang kotse. So we're using here a person's name, Juan. So we'll be using kay. Kay Juan ang kotse, or in English, it means the car belongs to Juan. And then second example or pangalawang halimbawa, sa akin iyan or sa akin yan. That is mine. So mine in Tagalog or Filipino is sa akin or sakin. And then that is iyan or yan. So sa akin yan. That is mine. And then third example or pangatlong halimbawa is we're using a common noun. So estudiante is a common noun, or in English, student. So sa estudiante ang libro. Sa estudiante ang libro. In English, it means the book belongs to the student. Sa estudiante ang libro. So if our subject is, let's say, students, so it's going to be sa mga estudyante ang libro. Okay, so that's the end of the lesson. If you have questions, you can comment down below. Thank you.